lot of people study French for years, but they fail to get the results they need on the TCF. I reached C2 levels in French in just 10 months, not because my French is flawless, but because I mastered the test logic. Most students fall into the same traps. Today, I'm gonna show you exactly what to stop doing so you can finally hit these high scores. Ready to fix your strategy? Then let's dive right into the mistake number one. Mistake 1. Listening. The common mistake in the TCF listening is try to translate every single word in your head, because the TCF audios is like a runaway train. If you stop to process one single word you don't know, you miss the next 3 sentences. The strategy is be a radar, not a translator. Don't focus on words, focus on intonation and connectors like cependant or par contre. These words tell you if the answer is about to change direction. My action tip for you? Train your ears by listening French podcasts at 1.25 speed. On exam day, the regular speed will feel like a slow motion to you. Mistake 2. Reading. The biggest mistake TCF reading is reading the text like a novel romance. Never read the entire text from start to finish before looking at the questions. You don't have time for that. The strategy is use scanning. Read the question first, identify the target info, such as a name, a date, or a specific feeling, and then run for it. My action tip to you: don't look for the exact word from the question in the text. Look for its cousin, for the synonym. The TCF loves to hide answer using different words, but with the same meaning. Mistake number 3. For the TCF writing, the common mistake is try to write like Shakespeare. Many candidates use overly complex sentence to try to impress the examiner. But in reality, long and mess sentence leads to grammar mistakes. The examiner wants to see clarity. The strategy is keep your text organized and easy to read. My action tip to you: a perfect B2 level text that is clear and logical is worth way more points than a confusing C1 attempt. Remember, structure first. Mistake number 4. The biggest mistake for TCF speaking is trying to memorize scripts. If you memorize a speech, the moment you forget one word, you will panic and freeze. The TCF examiners value the spontaneity and the flow of the conversation. The strategy: master filler words. Use words like alors, en effet, vous voyez. These little words give our brain a 2 seconds break to think about what you're gonna say next without creating a awkward silence. My action tip to you: minor grammar mistakes won't kill your score, but losing your fluency will. So just keep the conversation moving, keep the flow. Mistake number 5. General strategy. Thinking that knowing French is the same as knowing the TCF is another mistake. The TCF is a game with specific traps and logic. Doing a 15 minutes lesson on your phone, on your app, is not the same as doing 3 hours high pressure exam. The strategy is you need to train your brain to stay focused for a long time. So my action tip is do at least 3 timed simulations before the test, because you need to know how your brain reacts when you're tired. Remember, TCF is 50% language and 50% strategy. These shifts in my mindset is exactly what took me from 0 to C2 levels. If this video helped you, like this video, subscribe this channel, and let's keep growing together. See you in the next video, guys. A bientôt!